tukiongelea history ya Gen Z movement, I failed to acknowledge that this movement already has a leader, the one and only undisputed god of the men in Kenya, Andrew fucking Kibe. You know, since he got banned on YouTube, wasi wamekuwa wakimake ni kama yeye ni fala venye alikuwa anafanya, nikaa hakuwa anajua Kenya alikuwa anafanya, nikaa alikuwa mwenda wazimu. But this man was impacting young men in Kenya, especially for someone like me who was hooked up to masturbation. You know, I was still living with my parents. Now I live alone, you know, still discovering myself as a man. All these things that the mindset that I have today, I owe it all to Andrew Kibe. So you imagine someone like him not leading this country. It will be an utter disaster. It will be a shame on us as Kenyans and as Kenyan young men who are a majority in Kenya. We can influence the leadership of this country. And so, with this message that Andrew Kibe has impacted on us, we can use it to, you know, bring this country to another, you know, to something better than we have today. So, Kibe being president will be a great achievement, hands down. Hakuna mse anaweza bishana na huyo mse. He is outright the only man able to lead this country, hands fucking down. It will also be a statement and a message to those fucking Jews who on YouTube. John walimban. They banned him for not even violating anything. He did not say kill anybody. He did not say, you know, things that can cause chaos in a country. No, he was just talking to men, speaking the language of the man. But they thought they could fuck with him and they can get away with it. Not in my watch. So Andrew Kibe is my presidential candidate, na hii sirudi nyuma na mpaka mwisho. So Andrew Kibe for president. Plus, kama unachukia Andrew Kibe, either we ni dem ama we ni homo, plus mademu mpenda. So kama unachukia Kibe, unafaa ujiulize, we, what the fuck is wrong with you? Kuna shida mahali ama umjui? But Andrew Kibe is the outright candidate to lead this country. Fucking hell.